Once again, welcome children. Children, today I am going to explain activity-based questions of weight chapter. Let's start. So look here. Here your first question is Manu and Jeju put a pencil and geometry box in the two pans of the balance. Which pan will go down? Why? Draw a picture to show it. So children, here I have drawn a picture. You can see this one is the balance and this one is pan A and this one is your pan B. So in pan B I have kept geometry box and in pen A we have kept pencil. So children, you have to tell here which pen will go down. So you can see here the pointer is at towards pan B. So pan B will move down. It means the pan that has geometry box will go down because it is heavier than pencil. Okay, so pan B will go down. Moving to the next question, make pairs of different things and use the balance to decide which is heavier. First guess which thing will take the pan down and then check with your balance. So here I have written mobile and laptop. So you all know when you will kept mobile in one pan and in another pan you will kept laptop, the pan with laptop will go down because laptop is heavier. So in this way you have to complete this question. You have to write some more examples. Okay, moving to the next page. Now name 5 things that we usually buy in grams and in kilograms. So children, you all know the things like spices, chili powder, all these we buy in grams, and the things like potato, rice, wheat, apple, sugar we buy in. So here you can see chili powder, turmeric powder, cloves, cardamom, alum. We use all these things in very small amounts. So here we will use gram and here we will use kg because potato, rice, wheat, apple, sugar we use in big amount. Moving to the next page. Now which is heavier, 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram iron? So children, please don't get confused in this. Here both will be equal and both have equal weight. Okay, now which is heavier, half kg iron or 1 kg cotton? So here your answer will be 1 kg cotton will be heavier than half kg iron. Now next is which is heavier, half kg iron or half kg cotton? So here both have equal weight and both are equal. Moving to the next page. Now make group of things, 3 things. For example, eraser, ball and paper. Use the balance to arrange them in order of weight. The lightest, the one with in between weight, the heaviest. Complete the table with at least 5 examples. So children, here you can see I have written lightest, in between weight and heaviest. This is already given in the book. Okay, and here you have to write the example. So in lightest, if you will see in paper, eraser and ball, paper weight will be the lightest. So here I have written paper. और in between weight किसका होगा, इसमें in between weight होगा eraser का, its weight will be in between paper and ball, and heaviest weight will be of ball. So I have written ball over here. Same like that, here you can see some more example. Notebook will be lightest here, and book in between weight, and here dictionary will be the dictionary will be heaviest. So I have written it under heaviest column. So in this way you have to complete this table. Moving to the next page. Now Danson went to a shop and bought some things. His younger brother cut the end of the bill where the weights were written. Guess and write the weight of each thing he bought in gram or kg. So children, we have already discussed such type of question earlier also. So rice, as you all know, we purchase rice in big amount, so big quantity, so it will be in kg. Sugar we purchase in large quantity, so again it will be in kg. Mustard seeds we purchase in small quantity, so it will be in gram. Wheat, it will be in kg. Dal, now children, here what is written, 500. If you will write kg, then it will be a big quantity. So what we will write here, we will write gram, because अगर आप 500 kg लिखोगे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा quantity हो जाएगा. So we will use here gram. 500 gram means half kg. Okay, now next is tea, 250 gram. Then pepper, it is your spices, so it will be in gram. Generally, we purchase spices in gram. Moving to the next page. So here we have the answers. Please go through this. Now Ritu is weighing her toys. She wants to know if her tractor is heavier than her car. How would you help her to find out quickly? So children, here I have written the answer. This can be done by keeping one of the toys in a pan and the other toy in another pan of the balance. So which one will be heavier? Here tractor is written and here car. So I think tractor will be heavier than the car. Next is guess which is the heaviest, a real car, a bus or a tractor. So here I have written bus. Next, which is the heaviest thing you have seen? So I have written bulldozer. Your answer may vary. आपको जो heavy thing आपने अभी तक देखा है आप यहाँ पर उस नेम को लिख सकते हैं. Moving to the next page. So now it's your turn. Which is heavier, 1 kg cotton or 1 kg iron? I think you all know the answer, and answer will be both have equal weight and both are equal. Moving to the next question. Now it's your turn again. Manu and Jeju put an eraser and geometry box in the two pans of the balance. Which pan will go down and why? So here children, very simple. The pan that has geometry box will go down because it is heavier than eraser. So here question is, Danshin went to a shop and bought some things. His younger brother cut the end of the bill where the weights were written. Guess and write the weight of each thing he bought in gram or kg. So children, what will be the answer? This is your turn. You have to give the answer. You all know for cloves what you will write here, kg or gram. For wheat, what you will write here, kg or gram. Or for mustard seeds, what you will write. Let's check the answer whether you have written correctly or not. So I hope all of you have written correctly. Cloves because it is a spices, so we will write gram. Wheat we will write kg, and mustard seeds we always purchase in small amount, so we will write gram. Okay, with this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.